Hello, Victor Lowe here. So today I'm going to be talking about stocks. So stocks is the stock market where you buy and sell shares of a company. So first off, we'll start with an example. So in the beginning, when a company is starting or halfway through their growth, the company determines amount of stocks for public sale. So for example, 1,000 stocks equals 50% of the company. So they set a price, say at $25 per share, and they sell that at $25 to the buyers, and the buyers become owners of the company. Sometimes, if it's a big guy, sometimes he wants to have a say, then he can have a say. Or if it's a silent partner, then he stays quiet and just invests the money. So, how do stocks rise? If the value of the company goes up, so does the stock. And if the company goes down in value, so does your stock. So how do you make money from stocks? It is through dividends, i.e. profits are distributed to shareholders. So that's how you make money. So maybe every quarter they make a profit, say, of like 1 million, and then 1 million would be distributed equally on the 1,000 stocks, and that way you make money. So maybe you can just reinvest it into the company, buying more stocks if the company is selling more stocks, or you can get a check every quarter and use that to buy whatever you want to buy. So when you sell stocks, someone has to buy it. So if no one buys it, then the company buys it and sells it at their own time. So this is an advantage. So just say if the stock goes up and he wants to sell, but no one wants to buy at that high price, the company can buy it and therefore gain more ownership of the company, and it's able to sell it at a lower price if it wants to, because the company sets the stock price if someone sells it and it's not on the market. So when buying stocks, companies have a public sale of stocks, or when buying, you buy when the company has a public sale of stocks, or person-to-person exchange, say a shareholder and another guy wants to buy it, and then they just exchange through a stockbroker. And usually you want to go through a licensed stockbroker through the bank, of any bank, because they're not gonna be a crook and siphon or take a cut of your money away, or siphon money away and pretend to invest it but use it to buy a BMW or something. So how do you make money on stocks? So the main money is in dividends. Each quarter the company gives you a check, or you reinvest it, and if you want to sell it if you really need the money. This is because when buying stocks, it means investing in a company for either short term or long term, and selling means that you are withdrawing your investment in the company. This is good if when you sell, you want to sell it for your RRSP, or in the case of emergencies. So what are the purposes of stocks? Stocks are for enabling public investment. So your own personal money, you can invest into the companies, and that means increase in investment, means economic growth. So it's good to invest if you have the money, and that way it increases the economic, and there is more tactile money transferred from place to place. So selling means an exchange of money. So just say you make money on a blue chip stock, say Husky or something, or Encana, and you sell the stock, or you make a profit, and then you reinvest into a penny stock, and hopefully the penny stock goes up and you make money. Yeah, so it's good for investing in smaller companies if you want to sell your stocks that are gaining money. So stocks are good for assets. So if you have stocks, it's good. So if you want to get a loan, you have assets to back it up in case you can't pay it. And if you default on loans, you're able to sell your stock and repay it back, and you're home free. So that's pretty much it. So how do stocks rise and fall? It's by profit. And what are the stockbrokers? I mean the stock people and the TSX for? Honestly, I have no idea. You don't really need it, but it's good for, I don't know. I guess they, do the buying and selling. So the stockbroker will phone whoever, a stock broker or stock theme exchange company, and changes the hand. So yeah, I have no idea what the points are too. So I guess that's the measurement of how much the TSX has risen in value. But anyways, that's my bit on stocks. Yeah. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, press like. And thanks for listening. So talk to you later. Bye bye.